Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. In this video session, I'm going to solve Computer Science Past Paper 2024. Question number 1. Which gate produces a low output when at least one input is high? For example, you have three inputs A, B, and C. A is 0, B is 0, and C is 1, at least one high. And if you will take AND gate, in case of AND gate, it will give you 1. But according to the question, it give you 0. When it will give you 0? When you will use NOT of AND gate. In case of NOT AND gate, we can say that this is the NAND gate. The correct option is B, NAND gate. Question number 2. What is an efficient algorithm for finding a specific book in a large library? Because here is a large library, you cannot find the book randomly. There should be a proper mechanism to find the book. So we can evaluate the options. A. Asking other visitors for help. No. Using the catalog system to find its location. More better. Randomly pulling out two books from the shelf. No. Browsing without a plan. The correct option is B. That is the using the catalog system to find its location. Question number 3. Which of the following represents a reliable source of information? A reliable source of information. A personal blog with no evidence? No. That may be a fake. A social media post without citation? No. A peer-reviewed academic journal? Yes, this is a perfect. Okay, the correct answer is this, a peer-reviewed academic journal. Because a random website with advertisement is not good. K-means clustering is an example of the following statistical modeling technique. Option A is supervised learning. Option B is semi-supervised learning. Option C is reinforcement learning. Number 4 is unsupervised learning. The correct option is unsupervised learning. Question number 5. The key advantage of using a private cloud is higher security and control over data. Yes, this is the best option. Lower cost compared to public cloud? No. Accessible to the public? No. Reduced need for ID infrastructure? No. The correct answer is higher security and control over the data. Question number 5. Consider the list A equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. What will be the statement? Print length of A. It will shows the length of A. Mean count the number of elements in list A. If you will count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. It will shows the answer 4. Okay, the correct answer is 4. Question number 7. What does decomposition mean in computational thinking? What does mean of decomposition? Combining smaller problems into a large solution? No, this is belong to merge. Ignoring the problem until it resolves itself? No. Writing code without any structure? No. Breaking a problem into a smaller, more manageable parts. This is the correct answer. Next question is, which type of feasibility study in SDLC assesses whether the proposed system can be completed within a given time frame? Mean legal feasibility? No. Scheduled feasibility? Maybe this is the best. Economic feasibility and operational feasibility? The best and correct answer is scheduled feasibility, in which you can manage a time frame. Question number 9. Which of the following is an example of typical survey questions? Solve 5 times x equal to question mark. What is the capital of China? No. How many hours do you spend on the internet daily? The best option. What is the boiling point of water? best, and the correct option is this. Which of the following can be classified as a low fidelity prototype? Mean a wireframe sketch on a paper. You have wireframe sketch on a paper. A fully functional mobile app. This is fully functional, no need for design. A high resolution mock-up with animation. No. A completed website with backend functionality. It's completed. Means there is no prototype. Prototype mean that your actual product is not ready. Okay. Mean you have designed that product into some paper, into a paper, into a any computer design software like that. Okay, the correct option is a wireframe sketch on paper. Question number 11. Which of the following is a characteristics of qualitative interview? They have only one word answers. They focus in open-ended questions. They only collect numerical data. They follow a strict set of yes-no questions. The best option is the focus on open-ended questions. What will be the result of x equal to 5 and 3 Python statement? X equal to 5 and 3. They have written x equal to 5, 5 and 3. This is 5 and 3 mean the binary code of 5 is 101. The binary code of 3 is 011. When you will add this one, you do to AND. AND mean if both options are 1, result will be 1, otherwise 0. 1 result is 1, 01 result is 0, 01 result is 0, and 001 is the code of 1. Now you can check the answer. Answer is 1. Which of the following is an example of a product? Online banking, car repair, mobile phone, and medical consultation. The correct option is mobile phone. Okay. This is the section B and it consists of 42 marks. Question number 2, part 1. Assume the variables x, y, and z where x equal to 4, y equal to 8, and z equal to 2. What the value will be stored in result 1, result 2, and result 3 after executing following Python statement. Okay, result 1 will get the value because value of x is 4 plus value of y is 8. Result 1 will get 12. Okay, next result 2. What result 2 will get? Z power 3 means z value of z is 2 raised power 3 mean 2 raised power 3. The answer is 2 times 2 times 2. Answer is 8. Result 2 will get 8. And result 3, y divided by x, and value of y is 8 divided by x, a value of x is 4, it will get 2.0. The result will get 2. Okay. Question number 1, then OR part. I'm going to solve OR part. In OR part, what they are doing, trace the following pseudocode and complete the table below which tracks the value of the variable at each iteration of the loop. Okay, set sum equal to 0. Set sum equal to 0. At this stage, the value of sum will be 0. Okay, next, for I from 1 to 3. Okay, it will start from 1, value of I is 1, value of I is 2, value of I is 3. Okay, when value of I is 1, then what happen? Then sum equal to sum of I means sum equal to sum plus I. Before sum is 0 plus I means 1. Answer will be 1 will store into sum. Here it will become 1. And far from this place it will move up. Okay, and it will not print yet. Okay, next value of I will become 2. Okay, in case of 2, then previous value in sum is 1. 2 plus 1 3. Okay, the value of sum will become 3. Next, they will increment 1 in x in I. The value of I will become 3. In third time, the value of previous sum is 3, and this time value of I is also 3. It will give you 6. 6 will store into sum. Okay, after this row will stop and print sum. In print sum mean what they will display? They will display 6 here. Okay, question number 2. What is a use case for statistical model given in example? Give an example. A use case for statistical modeling is predicting outcome based on data patterns. They will predict an outcome based on given data. They will explore that, they will analyze that data, and then they will give you one prediction. Example, forecasting monthly sales using past sale data. Okay, in this way you can give a prediction on the basis of the previously say data. Okay, that you have previously data, you will explore that data, you will analyze that data. On the basis of that data you will give some prediction. Write down the 3 benefits of integration of blockchain and IoT. Okay, number 1 is improved security through decentralized data handling. Number 2 is transparent and tamper-proof transaction records. And number 3 is faster automation using smart contracts. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Next question is, how does agile model differ from waterfall model? Justify with at least 3 reasons. This is very, very important questions. The difference between agile model and waterfall models. Number 1 is agile is iterative and flexible, while waterfall is linear and sequential. Agile is more flexible if you have high knowledge about the project. You have an expert team of the people, then it's very easy. It's flexible. Number 2, agile welcomes changes. This is very important because in agile, changes can be welcome at any stage, while in waterfall methodology, the changes never accepted at the during the stages. Okay, this is a big difference. According to the situation, you have to apply methodology. Okay, then what is the important point? Changes. Agile welcome changes during development, while waterfall doesn't allow mid-process changes. Number 3rd point is agile delivers work in small increments. They are giving small products, they are giving small versions of the software to the customers. Customers are using, then they are giving new input or feedback. According to new inputs and feedback, developers are used to develop the software. Next one is differentiate between parameters and statistics with daily life example. One is parameter, a value that represents the entire population is called parameter. Example, average height of all students in a school, that is a parameter. While statistics, A value calculated from a sample of the population, that is called statistics. For example, average height of students in one single class, that is statistics. Why is successful product development important? Give 3 reasons. Number one is it increases customer satisfaction. Important point. The important point I have highlighted with red colors. By delivering a product that meet user needs. Number two is it improves market competitiveness and helps a company stay ahead. Number third point is it leads to higher profits and long-term business growth. Next question. Write down 3 differences between analog and digital signals. The differences are there. Analog signals are continuous. Continuous. They are not stay at single stage. While digital signals are discrete, they are showing one value at a time. Okay, they are analog signals and digital signals. Number two, analog signals are more prone to noise, while digital signals are more noise resistant. Okay, mean analog signals will produce means the noise can become, while in digital signals these are means noises, less noises or noises resistant are there. Analog signals vary in amplitude and frequency, while digital signals use binary values, that is 0 and 1. Question number 5. Determine whether these variable names are valid or invalid. Provide reasons for any invalid variable. Range. Range is invalid. Why it's invalid? Because we are using in a for loop for x in range 3 like that. Okay, here is a range function, that is built-in function, range range. Okay, total marks. Number one is total marks. You have written total marks. In case of total marks, there should be a gap. Gap is not allowed. Okay, here I mentioned gap, not underscore. Underscore can be allowed, but due to gap, I have mentioned this one, it's invalid. Okay, third one is counter. Okay, counter with small c with capital C, that is acceptable. This is valid. This is a valid variable. Range is invalid. Why? Range is a reserved word in Python. Total marks invalid. Why? Variable names cannot contain a space. Number third is counter. Counter is a valid. Reason it contains only letters and follows naming rules. How do computer system protect against cyber attacks? Provide 3 reasons, and number 1 reason is a firewall. You have to apply a firewall and it will prevent from unauthorized access. Using firewall to block unauthorized access. Number 2, installing antivirus and anti-malware software to detect threats. Number 3 is applying encryption and strong password to secure data. Question number 6. Briefly explain 3 guidance regarding the safe and responsible use of information sources. Number 1 is always check the credibility of the source before using information. If you want to use information in your assignment, in your exam or anywhere, or in your thesis, in your work, you must check that from where you are copying, that how much that informations are correct. Okay, check the credibility of the source before using information. Number 2 is avoid plagiarism by referring or citing original authors properly. Okay, if you are copying something from others, okay, you must write citation with references. If you will write citation and references, You will be avoid from plagiarism. Plagiarism means you are copying from others. Do not share personal or sensitive information from unreliable sites. If some sites they are getting some information regarding personal information, don't provide the personal information to this point. Other question is, what are the embedded systems, and list two of their applications. Number one is embedded systems are computer-based systems designed to perform specific tasks within a larger device. Applications, number one application is washing machines. Okay, it uses in washing machines. Number two, automatic traffic control systems. Question number 7, which algorithm is more efficient, insertion sort or bubble sort? Justify your choice with two reasons. Insertion sort is more efficient than bubble sort. Reason, insertion sort takes fewer swaps and comparison in nearly sorted data. Okay. Reason number 2, average time complexity of insertion sort is better in practice and run faster on small data sets. Okay. Next is correct any three errors in the following Python code. Number equal to 0. Here they have mentioned semicolon, that is not allowed. Okay. You should write number equal to 0. Next one, if number greater than 0, yes, it's correct. If number greater than 0, colon, then print, you have to write positive number. You have to suppose I'm writing positive number. Okay, just I want to highlight the error. This is second error because here double quotation did not close it. Number 3 is it's written elif. Okay, you should write elif, elif, elif. Elif means here double f means not used. You should use only single f. Elif number equal to 0, double equal. Okay, if you are comparing, you should write number equal double equal for comparison, and then print 0. Here you are writing print 0, print in double quotation 0. Okay, and else you're writing else colon, and print, you give indentation here, give a space, print negative number, and in negative number. Okay, how many error you have found here? This is second error. If this is the third error. One if is extra third, and fourth one is you must use double equal. Okay, else, and fifth one is the print need to give a space. I have highlighted 5 errors. Okay, but that's why they have written correct any 3 errors in the following Python code. Okay. Question number 8. Evaluate the following expression in Python using the proper order of operation. This expression is written as 3 raised power 2 minus 8 percentage 4 plus 10 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now, first of all, what I will do, I will solve the exponential power. 3 raised power 2 means 9 minus, after this I will solve this, 8 percentage 4. 8 percentage 4 means 8 divided by 4. You will get the remaining value. 8, 4 twos are 8. Remaining value is 0. Okay, remaining value is 0. You will write 0 plus 10 divided by 5. Mean you will get 2. Okay, you know division and multiplication have the same hierarchy. Okay, but we will see from left to right. Left to right, first is coming division, then we will do the divide. Mean 10 divided by 5, 2, multiply by 3. 9 minus 0 plus 6, 15. Answer is 15. Okay, clear? First we will solve exponential, then remainder operator, then divide, then we will do the multiply, and answer will be 15 in this case. Next is second part of question number 8. Compare star and ring network topologies with respect to design, scalability, and reliability. We will see these three factors: design, scalability, and reliability. Design. If you will talk about star topology, all devices connected to a central hub or switch. Okay, that is the design of the star. Mean there is one central hub is there and all the nodes are connected with a separate wire with the hub. In case of ring, each device is connected to two neighbors in a closed loop. Okay, each device is connected to two neighbors in a closed loop. For example, there is a central hub is there. Okay, and here you are connected computer 1, computer 2, and then computer 3, and in this way you can attach computer 4. Okay, this is an example of star topology. Ring topology, suppose this is computer 1 connected with computer 2, computer 3, and computer 4, and this computer 4 is connected with the first one. Okay, it looks like a shape of a ring. Next point is about scalability. In scalability means you can easily increase the size. That is called scalability. Easy to add or remove devices by connecting to the hub, because you know that there is a central hub is there. As much as hub have a capacity to connect more devices, you can connect it. While in ring topology, adding, removing devices breaks the ring and need to reconfiguration, because it's close, just like a ring shape. And once you want to add a new node, you have to first disconnect that configuration, and again you have to reconfigure all the devices in form of a ring topology. Reliability point of view, star, failure of one cable affect only one device. If any cable is failure with one device, only that device will be affected. But if the hub failure, all the computers, all the nodes will be stopped. In case of ring, failure of one device cable and disrupt the entire ring unless dual ring is used. Okay, if any problem will happen at any device, that will disturb to the whole network. Okay, this is in ring topology. Next question is, write down any three features of infographic for data representation, because sometimes we are using some symbols, graphic images to represent the data, and what are the benefits are here. Number one is infographic present data visually using charts, icon, and images. You can add charts, icon, or images. Or you know that image can give more clarity as compared to 1000 of words. Number two, they simplify complex information, making it easy to understand. You have a lot of data is there. If you want to present in form of visual like chart, icon, and image, it will be more better understanding. Number third point is they attract attention and improve audience engagement. Okay, this is the three benefits are there. Write down any three key steps in developing the minimum viable product. Number one is identify the core features needed to solve the main problem. You have to identify what are the core features, important features, okay, that will solve the problem. Number two, build a basic but working version of the product with essential function. Okay, that you will give a product that should be in working form. Number three, release for feedback. You should give them to the users to use it and give the feedback. Feedback, test with user and improve based on responses. Okay, you should get the feedback from the users and then you have to improve that functionality. Next one is write a Python program that draw the table for the Boolean function f equal to x, y, z plus x, y, z. We have to draw the Boolean function. You can see that f equal to x, y, z means how many variables we have? We have three variables, means 2 raised power 3 means it should be 8 combinations. 8 combination means you have to write x, y, and z. Here should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And here if you will add the code of means 0, code of 0 is 0, 0, 0, or you can add here 1, 2, 4. If you need 1, you need only this one. Okay, remaining is 0. 2, you need to own only these 2. Remaining is 0. 3, this is 2 plus 1, it will give you 3. Remaining is 0. 4, you have to just switch on only 4th. 0, remaining is 0. 5th, how you will get 5th? 5, 1 plus 1, 5. Remaining is 0. 6, how you will get 6? 4 plus 2, 6. Remaining is 0. 7, 4 plus 2, 7 plus 1 plus 1, 4, 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. In this way, next I need x, y, z. Okay, what I will do? I will calculate here only y. Y complement. Y complement means value should be inward. If 0, 1, 1 to 0. 0, I will see 0. Y value of 0, it will become 1, 1. Next to is 1, 1, it will be 0, 0. Next to is 0, 0, it will be 1, 1. Next value is 1, it will be 0 and 0. This is y inward. Now I want to calculate first x, y, z. Okay, I will see these three values x, y, and z. Okay, mean there is AND gate is there in between them. Okay, x, y, z mean and what and says if all the values are true, then result will be true. Okay, due to these 4x, first x is 4, value not be true. I will write 0, 0, 0, 0 direct. Now x is ready to give all time 1, but due to y 2 time is 0, they will give you result is 0. Okay, next one is x last 6 and 7, last two, that is 6 and 7, X and Y are ready to give 1, but it based on Z. Now Z is only 1, is on 7, 6 is 0, it will give you only this. Okay. Now we need X, Y and Z. Okay. Again we will see. Again X, we are taking the AND operation between X, Y and Z. Due to these first 4 X, it will become 0. Now I'm writing X, Y, Z. Due to first 4 X, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 X, it will give you 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Next one is, we will see that X, this X is ready. Okay. Now I will see Y. Y, if you will see Y, Y value is also 1. Now I will see Z value. Z value is 0. Due to this one, it will give you 0. No. X, number 5, X is 1, Y dash is 1, while Z is also 1. Result will be 1. Okay. Now X1, Y1, but YZ is giving X is 1, YZ, if X is 1, YZ is 0, result will be 0. Next, all three are 1. See, X is 1, Z is 1, but Y is not 1. Y dash is not 1. That's why it will give you 0. Okay. Now, in between this and this, there is an AND operation, or operation is there. Or operation, in any one of the operation is true. Okay, any one value is, any one you will get 1, then it will return true statement. Okay, you will write 0, 0 in B, 0, 0, 0, here is 1, 0, 1. Okay, okay, this is the result of F. Next question is, write down 3 features of the survey for data collection. You have collected the data. What are the 3 features are there? Number 1, survey collected data from a large number of people quickly. Okay. Then next point, they use structured questions for consistent response. This is second features. Third feature is, survey can be conducted online or on paper or through interviews. These are the channels through which you can conduct the survey. Second optional question is, write what is meant by data searches. Illustrate with an example. Data searches. Number 1 is, data searches mean finding specific information from a large data set or database. You have a big database or large data frame, data set. You want to find a specific information from those data, that is called search. Next example, searching for a student record in a school's computer database. There is a school computer database, okay, in a school's computer database, and you want to search a one student record. This is an example of a search. How does vertical scalability differ from horizontal scalability in cloud computing? Illustrate with 3 differences. Number 1, vertical scalability increases resources of a single server. You have single server and you are putting more load on it. Increases resources of a single server. While horizontal scalability add more servers to the system. While in horizontal, you are putting more servers. If you have more servers, load can be distributed. Number 2, vertical scaling is easier to implement but has hardware limits, whereas horizontal scaling can grow almost infinitely. Vertical scaling is easier because if your system supported, you can put more hard disk, more RAM, okay, until your system is supported. Whereas horizontal scaling can grow almost infinitely. You want to attach one server, two server, three servers, so many servers you want to attach it. It's unlimited. Number three, vertical scaling improves performance in one machine, while horizontal scaling distributes load across multiple machines. Okay, if you have heavy complex nature of data and you want to compute that data, and that data can be distributed on different machines, there is some rules and regulations how data is distributed and how data is combined again to give one consolidated result. Second question, what will be the generated by the following Python code? Okay, let's see. You have a list with list1 name is list1, and what are the values are there? 34, then ABC, after this 40, then 89. Okay, this is the line number 1. Line number 2 says that list of 2 equal to 67. This is index of 0, index of 1, index of 2, and index of 3. They're telling list of 2 will get 67. New overwritten list will get the data. 34 is already A, B, C, and then 67, and then 89. 40 will overwritten with 67. Okay. Next, list1 dot append xyz. Okay. At the last, they will put xyz. So, append means they will put at the last element. They will put here, I'm going to append this list, and they have written x, y, z. Print list, when they want to print, it will display these values. Means 34, then ABC, 34, ABC, 67, 89, and XYZ. This will display list like this way. Okay, because this is value is string, they will show double quotation or single quotation. Next question is, what is the difference between a population and a sample in statistics? Illustrate with example. Population is the entire group being studied, while a sample is a small part taken from that population. Okay, population entire group, while sample is only few parts, few data you are taking from that population. Example, all students in a school. This is an example of population. All students in a school. 30 random selected students is an example of a sample. Next one is write Python statement consisting turtle graphics to perform the following actions. Rotate the turtle 45 degree to the right. What I have written right, and how much you want to move, you will write that number. If they are saying 60, you have to write 60. No, right is 45. Next one, move the forward by 100. You can use forward command by 100. And then change the pen color to red. You will write pen color in double quotations, name of the color. If it is red, you can write red. If it will say a blue, then you can write blue. Okay. Next, what is the deployment phase in SDLC, how does the direct deployment method differ from the phased development method? Deployment means you have completed the project and now you want to hand over that project to the customer hand. What are the phases and how you will can convert, how you can give that project or how you can implement in that way. Number one is deployment phase is the stage where the completed software is installed, released and made available for the end users. Users can use it. Number one, indirect development, deployment. If you will direct deployment, if you will do this way, what happened? The old system is totally replaced immediately with the new one. While in phase development, while in second case phase development, the new system is introduced in stages, that they are giving only stages. First they will do one department, then going to second department. After implementation of second department, they are moving to the third department and so on. Next one is direct deployment is faster, but what happened? Risky. Okay, because you have implement totally entire system and totally new system, entirely new system. Okay, it may be it maybe will give you error or something is not performing well. Okay, but riskier is there. Whereas phased deployment is safer and easier to control. Compare Next one is compare supervised and unsupervised learning with daily life examples. Number one, supervised learning uses labeled data for training or trained data. Example, email spam detection, spam, not spam. Unsupervised learning works on unlabeled data to find patterns. Example, grouping customers by buying behavior. How behavior is changing. First they are getting the patterns and after this they are learning from that. Section C, question number 3. What is the encryption? Differentiate between symmetric and asymmetric encryption in terms of speed, complexity, security, and key structures. You have to provide the definition of the encryption and then you will discuss 4 parameters and you will discuss about this one. What is the difference between symmetric and asymmetric? Okay, let's start the encryption. Encryption is the process of converting readable data into an unreadable from the protection from unauthorized access. They are changing a such type of data in which other users cannot be readable, cannot read. This is the purpose of encryption. Suppose I want to give you one example. You have written a name Atif. A T I F, Atif. Okay. When you will see that what is the number of A is on number 1 position. You can see that A is number 1 position. You can add 2 more. Suppose 1 plus 2, 3. 3 is C. On 3 is C. You are writing here C and then T. Then T. Suppose these are the alphabet I have written A, B, C to A to Z and I have given the name 1 to 26. As you know that alphabet are 26. Then T. I am looking T. What is the number of T? T is on number 20. 20 plus 2. What I am adding? I am adding every number with plus 2. I am adding with plus 2. Okay. In case of plus 2, 20 plus 2, 22 and on 22 new number is V. Then I is on number 9, 9 plus 2, that is K. And then next number is F. On F is on number 6 plus 2, 8, H. Okay. Now student, when you will want to send this number Atif on internet, I'm changing this number with plus 2 and new number will become CVKH. Okay. Now, when this number received by the receiver, then it should be de-encryption with -2. -2. Same way they will go to -2, and when they will do -2 with every number, it will become Atif. ATIF. Same way. Okay. So this is just very basic level encryption I'm telling you. Okay. This is the key. This is the key that is used to for encryption. Okay. +2. This is very basic, simple. But nowadays, if you will write A contains maybe 40 characters. It depends on which type of algorithm you are using here. Clear? This is one of the example of the encryption. Encryption, we will discuss the difference between symmetric and asymmetric in terms of the following: speed, complexity, security, and key structure. Speed. What is speed? In symmetric, encryption is faster. If you were talking about speed, in symmetric it is faster, while in asymmetric encryption is slow due to complex calculation. Number 2, in complexity. In complexity, symmetric is simple and require less computational power in complexity. Okay, while in asymmetric, complexity in terms of complexity is mathematically complex and require more processing. Okay, as I have shown you one simple processing, one simple calculation, how you will encrypt a data. Next one is security point of view. Symmetric is less secure because the same key is used for encryption and decryption. Okay, as I told you, in encryption must be one key is used. Okay, what key is there? According to that, they are telling it is same key. Asymmetric is more secure since it uses two separate keys. One is public key and other one is private key. Number 4, key structure. If you will see the structure symmetric, one shared secret key, and while in asymmetric, it shared two keys, public key for encryption and private key for decryption. Next question is, what is data collection? Compare primary and secondary data collection method based on the originality, cost, time required, and reliability. Okay, data collection. Data collection is the process of gathering information. In data collection, we are used to gather some information from different places, from different users, from different environments, from different sources to analyze and make decisions. The purpose is to analyze. We can analyze with the different angles, and then we have to be able to take one decisions. We can produce a new system, we can design a new system, we can evaluate a system, like that. We will discuss about these are the basics: originality, cost point of view, time requirement, and reliability. Okay, as we know that we have primary data and secondary data. In primary data, originality point of view, this is first hand and original data from where we are getting the information. While it while if you will move to secondary data, it will previously collected by others, and then we are using that previously collected data. In terms of cost, expensive to collect, and in terms of Cost of secondary data cheaper and easily available because you are not getting directly, you are getting from others. About time requirement, primary data, because you are collecting at the first time, it should take more time. That's why it's time consuming. While because you are accessing from others, we can say this is quick response or quick access, quick to access. Reliability terms, more accurate and reliable because you are gathering the data in first hand. While secondary data may be little bit, maybe can be changed, may be outdated or less specific. Okay, move to the next question. Next question is use a three variables K map, simplify the following Boolean function f, also represent the simplified Boolean expression with a logic circuit diagram. First of all, we will design a master table. Okay, here I will design a master table. Okay, in master table, how many variables are there? A, B, C. There are three variables. We have to design means 8 combinations. Okay, K map. I'm using to K map. Okay, by using K map. Okay, first of all, I am going to design a master table for the K map. Okay, this is very easy. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here I will write 0. Here I will write 1. And here I will write 0, 0, 0 number means 0. Here I will write 1 number. Here I will write 3 number. Here I will write 2 number. Okay, because due to K map, due to gray code, we are not write continuously 0, 1, 2, 3. That's why due to gray code, we are writing 0, 1, 3, 2. Okay. If from left side, row is 0, column is 00, row is 0, column is, I'm giving a binary code 0, 1, binary code of 3 is 1, 1, binary code of 2 is 1, 0. Okay. Now 0, here I will write 0, 1. From row side is 0, from column side is 1, 1. I'm writing 0, 1, 1. Next row is 0, column is 1 and 0. Next row is 1, column is 0, 0. Row is 1, column is 0, 1. Row is 1, column is 1, 1. Row is 1, column is 1, 0. Okay. Now I will write A, B, C, all the columns. A, B, C. A, B, C. If they have written X, Y, Z, you will write X, Y, Z. A, B, C. All the boxes you will write A, B, and C. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Now student, where is 0? You can give a complement on that letter. A is 0, B is 0, C is 0. Next, A is 0, B is 0. Next, A is 0. Here A is 0 and C is 0. Here B is 0 and C is 0. Only B is 0, no 0, and C is 0. Okay. Now same way, by using the same master table, we can put the value that is given by you. Okay. What are the values are there? Value is, first of all, A, B prime, C prime. This is located at this location. You can see that A, B prime, C prime is here. Okay, I have given the same location here, same position. This is done. Next one is A prime, B prime, or C. Here is A prime, B prime, C. You will see that this column, this value, A prime, B prime, C. You are giving 1 is here. This is done. Next one is A, B, C prime. A, B, A, B prime C. This value A, B prime C. I'm writing here 1. Done. Next one is A prime, B prime C. Here I will also circle if I'm going to circle all. Okay. A prime, B prime, C. This value A prime, B prime, C. You are writing 1 here. Okay. Now from here, what you have written A prime, B, C. A prime, B, C. This you have done. A prime, B, C you have done. Okay. Next, A, B, C. This is A, B, C. At this stage, this position, A, B, C is also done. Next one is A prime, B prime, C. A prime, A prime, B prime, C. A prime, A prime, B and C prime. Okay. That is this value, and you will find here. 1 is here. Okay. Now you are going to make a group. If you will see, you can make one group is here. Other group is this. And third group is this. Now you will see that in this group, I'm writing in this group. In this group, values are from here. A, B, A prime, B prime, C is there. Second, this is the value group number 1. Value is this A prime, B prime, B, C. Third is this. Third is this. Okay. Here you have written A, B prime, C. And fourth one is this value. This value, and here they have written A, B, C. This is a group of four numbers. Okay. Four terms. Okay. Now you can see that which one is common. This one is common all the. Okay. Now you can write answer is F equal to C plus. Okay. This is finished. Now I'm going to calculate this group. In this group, what are the common is there? What are the values are there? Mean this group and this group. I'm writing here A, B, C prime, A prime, B and C prime, and A prime, B and C. You can see that here common is A and B are common. These two are common. You will write A prime and B plus C. Now you are taking this group. This group. This group is here. This one and this one. Now you will see that which one is common. A, B prime, C prime, A, B prime, and C. Here you will see that you have A, B prime is common. Common. A and B prime. Okay, this is your simplified Boolean function. F equal to C plus A prime, B plus A, B prime. Now I'm going to draw the circuit. Okay, when you will draw the circuit, you can see that. Okay, you want to draw the circuit of F equal to C plus A prime, B plus A, B prime. Okay, you have written here A, B, and C. Here you are giving not of A. Here you are giving not of B, and here C as it is. Okay. First you want to write, suppose this A prime B. There is an AND gate. You can write AND gate, not of A and B. B is this AB. This is done, plus A B. AND gate is here. AND gate, and they are getting A. I'm getting A from this point. Okay. Now I need B prime. B prime. I'm getting B prime from this point. Okay. And next, what I need, C plus C. Here I'm getting OR gate. This is OR gate. OR gate use C. C, you are attaching C. Next, A prime, B, or output of this. And next, A and B prime, output of this. Okay. This is your F output. Okay, clear? Now we are moving to the next point. Next question. Next question is, write a Python program that takes a number and print its factorial. Next question is, write a Python program that reads three numbers and print their product by using a function. Okay, we will start this one. You can see that what I have written, I am going to define a function. Function name is product. They are taking three parameters A, B, and C, and after this they will return A multiplied by B multiplied by C. Okay, your program will start from this line. Num1. Suppose you are entering num is 2. They are asking float, enter the second number. Second number is 4. Okay, enter the third number. Third number is suppose 3. Okay, call the functions and display the result. Num1 value is received by A, that is 2. It will receive by 2. And num2 value is received by B, that is value 4. B is 4. And num3 value is received by third variable, that is 3. In this case, no. 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 means 24. 4 2s are 8. 8 times 3, 24. 24. Due to this statement return, it will return back here. Mean in place of this, it will write 24. Now you can see that it will become result equal to, what they will become, result equal to 24. Okay, then they will show print the product of three number is, this is the message, and they will show the result. Okay, you can see this is a program. Okay, I'm going to run the program. When I will run, it will ask first number, second number, third number, then they will call the functions, and then they will display the value. I'm going to run this. Run. Okay, enter the first value, suppose 2, enter the second value 4, and third value is 3. Answer is 24. Okay, I'm going to run it again. You can give any value. Okay, maybe 5, maybe 6, maybe 8. Answer will be 5 6 are 30, and 30 times 8 is 24, means 240. Answer will be 240. Okay, friend. Next question is, use the binary search algorithm to find the number 75 from the given set of numbers, that is 9, 10, 26 and 75 is there. They will find this number. Okay, I will show you. This is the list of array. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Okay, first is 9, second number is 10, 26, 34, 41, 58, 67, 75 and 83. Okay, you are giving the index number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now from what I will do, binary search, what they will do, okay, you can check that all the numbers are in a sequence, in ascending order. 9, 10, 26, 34, 41, 58, 67, 75, 83, all are in ascending order. If numbers are not in ascending orders, then number must be, you should write in ascending order. Otherwise, it will not be working correctly. Okay. Then you will find the lower value, and lower value is 0 and higher value is 8. You can say that left value is 0 and right value is 8. You will add 0 plus 8 divided by 2. Answer is 4. Your mid is at 4. You can find that value that you are going to be search, that is 75. 75 is equal to mid. Now mid is 41. Mid is 41. Mean it will check that 75 equal to mid. Value of mid means list name is suppose A. It will check that A of mid is there, mean that is 41. No. If no, then they will check that whether your key is greater than of this mid value. If it is greater than, then you should move towards the right. Then what they will come, the next element of mid will become left, and right will stay the same. That will be there. Okay. Now you will see that next step, what are the left, what are the right? No. Left is no, number 5. Okay. Right is on number 8. 5 plus 8, 13 divided by 2. Answer will be 6.5. If you will take integral by 2, you will get 6. They will find that mid is on 6. They will find that mid is 6, mean they will check that 75 equal to 67. No, then they will replace the mid according to the if value is greater than mid, then you move to right side. If value is less than mid, then you will move to the left side. Okay, now in this case, left will change. Left will reach on number 7. Okay, this will become the left, and R is on 8. Now in this case, left equal to 7 and right equal to 8. Okay, means 7 plus 8 divided by 2, 15 divided by 2, it will give you 7.5. Due to integral, it will give you 7. Now your mid will be on 7. Okay, they will check that mid is 75, they will check that 75 equal to 75. Yes, and you can see that key has been found on index 7. You have to find this one. Okay, key has been found on index number 7. This is the way to apply the binary search. Okay, you must use at the mid. Okay, mid means that will be the middle value between left and right. Next question is, write a Python program that takes a number and print its factorial using for loop. Okay, we will start to write a program. Here we have written a program. Okay, they will get a number. Suppose you are going to enter number 6. They will ask input, and input data type is integer. You will enter 6. Suppose fact equal to 1. Because why fact equal to 1? Because at the first time when I will multiply with any number, it must be 1. Otherwise, if I will put 0, then 0 with any number, it will give you 0. Okay, that's why whenever you will multiply with any number, it should be 1 at the beginning. Okay, this x in range will move from 1 to num plus 1, mean 5 plus 1 6. They will move from 1 to 6. Okay, and fact equal to fact multiplied by x. What they will do, actually suppose this is x, value of x will be, what value of x will become? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Okay, and each time when value of x will become 1, then they will calculate the fact. Okay, fact equal to fact time x, means what is the before factorial? Factorial is 1. You will write 1 multiplied by 1, answer is 1. When value of x will become 2, then x is 2, but previously fact value is 1. 2 times 1, it will give you 2. When value of x will become 3, 3 times previous value of fact is 2, 2, 3 times 6. When value of x is 4, 4 times previous value of x is 6, 24. Then value of x, when the value of x will become 5 times previous value of x is 24, it will give you 120. Okay, when they will multiply by next value will become x value is 6, previous value of fact is 120. 120 multiplied by 6, 7, 2. 720? 12 times 6, 72. 720. Okay. After this, once loop will close, once loop will finish, then next line is the print statement. They will show this message, factorial of num means 6 is 720. 720. Okay. I will run a program, then I will show you the output. Okay, same program I have written here, num fact equal to 1, x start from 1 to num plus 1, then multiply by factorial times x, will store the value into fact, and at last they will show the answer in factorial. Okay, enter the factorial, enter the number is 5, answer is 120. Run it again. If I will enter number 6, they will show answer is 720. I'm going to run it again. Run. If you will enter 10, the factorial of 10 is this. Okay. Next question is, what does artificial means? Describe any 4 positive impact of AI system. Artificial intelligence means to computer system that can perform tasks that normally equivalent to human intelligence. Okay, a machine can work as a human work, such as learning, decision making, and problem solving. Number one, what will be the positive impact? Improved efficiency. In this way, we can improve efficiency. AI automates routine tasks and speed up work. They will do the work very quickly. Number two, better decision making. AI analyze large data sets accurately. They can analyze large data sets quickly, and according to that data sets, they can provide the answer or decisions. Number three, enhanced healthcare. AI helps in disease detection, diagnosis, and treatment planning. Next question is, what are assistive technologies? Provide four examples of their everyday uses. Assistive technologies are devices or systems designed to help individuals with disabilities perform tasks more easily and independently. This is the assistive technologies. For example, number one, wheelchairs. The purpose of wheelchair is to help people with mobility impairment moves freely. If they cannot move, they can use the wheelchairs for the moving. They can move it easily. Number two, hearing aids assist individual with hearing difficulties. If someone people cannot hear normally, then they can use hearing technology, hearing assistings. Number three, screen readers help visually impaired user access digital content. Number four, speech to text software. Sometimes people that cannot type. Then what they can do, they can aid user who cannot type or having difficulties. They can listen only. They can speech or to text software. They can just speak and system will type automatically. Okay. So if you have any doubt or any question, if you are not able to understand, please write me in comment. Okay. Please read it very well, and I need appreciation from your side, and share it with your friends. Jazakallah khair.